question is write a program using pointer to read an array of n elements and print all the elements of array and also find the sum of all elements. In previous question, we have already solved the half question, which is print all the elements of array. And now we have to find the sum of array. In programming, we should never repeat ourselves, so paste that code again, and we just have to change the minor things here. For addition, just have to declare the variable which is sum equal to 0 and sum equal to sum plus asterisk pointer of I, and here we have to write printf the sum of elements is %t and sum. Let's see the output. Control F9. Enter number of elements 3. Enter first element 5. Enter second element 6 and enter third element which is 4. Here we can see the answer.